Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download and install Python and Pycharm Community Edition. First, open the web browser that you have installed on your computer. Search on web browser python.org. Now you can see there is a button named Downloads. Move mouse onto the Downloads button. Now you can see there is another button named Python 3.9.2. Click on that button, then Python application will download. I'm not going to download Python application because I have already downloaded this application. Now let's see how to download Pycharm Community Edition that we use to develop Python applications. Search on my browser Pycharm download. Now go to the first link. Now you can see there are two versions, professional and community. Community is a free and open source software. Professional is a free trial. I don't want to download trial version. I need to download free and open source software. Because of that, I click on this black download button. Now Pycharm Community Edition is downloading. I'm going to cancel that because I have already downloaded this software too. Now you have already downloaded Python and Pycharm. Let's see how to install those two applications. First open download folder. Now click on Python 3.9 setup. Now click on run. And you can see here two options. First one is install now, second one is customize installation. I'm going to click on install now and make sure that you have checked this add Python 3.9 to path. Yes, now our Python application is installing to our machine. After installation is finished, click on close. And now let's see how to install Pycharm Community Edition to our machine. Double click on Pycharm Community Edition setup. And click on next. In here you can change the Pycharm Community Edition installation location using browse button. I'm going to click on browse button. In this window you can choose the location. I'm going to select one. After you select the location, click OK. And now click on next. In here you can choose these options. And now click on next. This tells you to select a start menu folder that Pycharm contains. Default name is JetBrains. You can change this as you wish. I click now on install button. After installation finished, you have another options First one is reboot now. Second one is I want to manually reboot later. If you check reboot now and click on finish, your machine will restart now. And if you check I want to manually reboot later and click on finish, you can restart your computer anytime. And I going to click on finish now. You have installed Python and Pycharm Community Edition successfully. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to write some codes using Python language in Pycharm Community Edition. And I'll see you in next video.